Hello, this is Pittsburgh Pap. Today we're going to test Super Clean Degreaser. This came to me from the company itself. They sent me some nice swag, and we're going to test it out on the dirtiest thing I have. This came to me through Max's Garage Mahal's contacts, and I promised I'd make a video because I like testing products. Here's where you can buy it. You can buy it just about anywhere. But we're going to test it on the greasiest thing I can think of. And man, it's going to be a test. Stay tuned. We're going to test the Super Clean Degreaser on the engine cover, beauty cover of my 2012 Jeep Patriot. And I'll guarantee you that the dirt on there is 12 years old because I've never cleaned it before. And I've pulled that little oil fill thing out to clean also. The spray bottle itself has 3 settings: spray, stream, and off. And now I have it set on spray, and we're going to see how this works. There it comes. And then I'm going to read the instructions. See how long you let it set, whatnot. We'll be right back. The directions say allow appropriate time. Well, I can see right away it brightened those letterings up. Barely read them before, now they're nice and yellow. We're going to rinse this off in about a minute. It says do not allow dry on surface. And now it's the bright sunshine, so it's already starting to dry. Yeah, that was dirty. Well, there it is. My engine cover is back in place. That didn't take very long. I even did the dipstick, so when I check the oil, it don't get all grimy. And it is super clean. But then look over here, power steering. Oh my goodness, look how dirty that is. Let's hit that and see what happens. That is nasty. I'm going to go get a towel and wipe that off. Dang, look how nice that turned out. Once you get started, you'll just find something else to clean, and you'll get it super clean. Highly recommended. And as they say on the TV, you can find the whole line of super clean products to help you around the house at most fine retailers. Pittsburgh Pap here. Have a great day. Go clean something. Wow.